What's up, guys? We are here at 6 p.m. Sunday, watching the market right now. We had the war news yesterday with Trump dropping bombs yesterday. So we got on here at 6. We want to see how price is reacting to this and just see potentially how price is reacting to see what our brain and head should be looking at for tomorrow morning market open. I definitely will not be opening any positions right now. Um, Most likely tomorrow morning, depending on what price action is doing right now and what we see tonight, we could potentially be opening a trade going into market open tomorrow. But other than that, right now, let's get into I will share my screen with you guys. Boom, boom. This screen recording. Boom. Beautiful. All right, so you guys can now see my screen. We're watching how crude oil is reacting, and then we also have been watching. No, bro. What the fuck? Delete. No, delete. No way. Oh, man. How do we go to brother? And kill the one. My fucking face. Really want to jeez, and da, 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 da. Okay, see, candle opened all the way down here. And now we're manipulating high. We're manipulating high. Exactly what I was looking for going into this war news. See right here, crude oil. It was set to explode. They shut down the I'm almost 100% positive. They shut down the ports. Let me pull it up for you guys. Uh, boom, 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 boom. Everything I talk about. Oh, back check. Boom, 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 boom. View. I hope you guys can see. Um, what I am doing right now. But if you can't, we will fact check it. Let me go on my phone so I can find it. What it's called. I had it on here. Straight or for mods. Yes, that's what it's called. But yes, Iran moves to close the port where 20% of the world's oil comes out of. So crude oil, obviously, is expected to fly today, and tomorrow. Most likely, prices are going to skyrocket. As we see here, opened up. Fucking, that's disgusting, bro. Racks could have just been made, bro. Hacks, dog. So let's see. NQ still manipulating high. It's just crazy, bro. Wow. And if you look back, swept this liquidity out. Just swept it. No, literally swept. And now we're back up, like literally. Oh, well, that's what war news will do. This I have I was not trading during all the Ukraine and all that major news coming out with Ukraine bullshit. So I really am noticing how the market reacts to how price reacts to war news and this kind of fucking news. Major U.S. military news. It's my first time really going through it, so really just sit here, be patient, and watch the market. But wanted to watch it with you guys so I could hold myself disciplined and not being over here gambling and fucking opening any positions at 6:18 p.m. Eastern time. I mean, opening a position on crude oil. I'm not gonna even talk myself into it. You see me? I'm trying to talk myself into it. It's stupid. I just ended my shit square sheeting on that. Like share screened on accident. Let me fix that. Sorry. Oops, there it is. I'm back. I meant to. Yeah, we're just gonna be watching the market move. See how crude oil reacts. See how NASDAQ reacts. S&P 500 following same suit. Mm, Bye, I love you. Girl, fucking mistress. Oh, it's still here like a wristlet. Mm, into But as you can see, 6 p.m., like crazy. That was crazy. That was a crazy market open candle for 6 p.m. Um, but yeah, man, just really watching the market right now. I'm gonna probably sit here and watch it for another 15, 20 minutes, and then I'll be back on watching at 8 o'clock for Asia Open. Um, but yeah, boom, boom. That's up 3%, bro. Crude oils now has broken structure back to the upside after respecting the fucking massive ass fair values that it has made from the. So let's see what really. I mean, honestly, I expect it to just range. Find somewhere we're in the middle of all this and range in between it until we get market open tomorrow. I might see a big movement going into Asia market, but I don't really see how Asia market really is going to fucking affect it when Asia didn't bomb anybody, but the 20% of the world's oil is now shut off and not being able to go anywhere now. So see how this reacts, how this moves for another 5, 10 minutes, and then I'll be back here at 8:30, 8 o'clock for Asia Open. But essentially, when you have big, high impact news like this, history does show that you will see manipulation into the opposite side of where market. So we're gonna see huge manipulation to the downside before. See how like the candle did open all the way up here. Yes, candle because it's gonna happen. Like prices just jumped like it did, but it's a bearish manipulation. This is all manipulation right now. And then somewhere in the middle of the night, probably or tomorrow morning, we're gonna see skyrocket in crude oil and NQ. Same thing since. We're expecting it to fall, the whole stock market to fucking crash essentially. Well, not really crash, but like fall essentially. History shows that first we're going to see manipulation up, and every majority of the time war actions happen, major war events happen, stock market has been near or close to all-time highs. So it's no coincidence that a big move is going to happen. It's just a matter of fact of when and where, and can we be a part of it without risking too much or over risking and over leveraging? Can we be a part of that? That's and we just want to do it smartly because we're still on a we're still on a Express account. We're not fully live funded yet. We're not trading with our full capital yet. We are on an Express funded, so we are payout eligible. But we right now are just in the phase of stacking the account, and it's either don't trade and trade. Don't trade and trade. If you trade and you lose, that's why you got to be done. It's You got to preserve your capital, preserve your risk. But market's just chopping right down here. It doesn't really know how to move. I mean, I wouldn't either, but tomorrow we're going to see a huge move. I'm probably going to be here for about 10 more minutes. But I will be back 8 o'clock for when Asia does open. Seeing some bullish momentum, manipulation. Let's see if it can finish above this liquidity zone above here. Most likely not going to finish above this liquidity zone. Most likely just sweeping out these previous highs. Fair value gap attached. Strong buy up. But man, let's see what this next thing is here. Next, I got about. And this is exactly why shorting. If you would have came in here at 6 a.m. and you would have seen this strong, and most retail traders on this break of structure right here, they would have said, "Oh, manipulation over." It would have entered and been stopped out right above right there because they would put their stop loss. I'll be getting into liquidity sweeps this week. I will be making a video on liquidity sweeps to start my strategy series. And when we start the strategy series, it will take it probably 2, 3 videos a week. But we'll cover everything in my strategy and put it all together. And then once we get it all put together, you'll understand how I trade and what I trade off of, and you can follow suit if you feel like you wanted to. Feel like the strategy could work for you as well. It's, Mm. All right, well, we came in and we saw what we wanted to see, what it was going to react and how it was going to react at 6. It's now 6:30. We're watching it for about 30 minutes now. Sorry, I got this video started a little bit late. I was watching it while I was trying to eat dinner, but we're seeing this bullish manipulation, but we're seeing him go out like clean. So we'll be back. I'll be back at 8:30. So peace. See you soon.